Hi, I'm Ryan.
I'm Lisa.
And today we're here at Kiwi Yogurt in Chinatown, Sydney. We are here to try the purple rice yogurt drink.
So apparently it's kind of like bubble tea but better. It's got purple sticky rice.
Have you ever had it before?
No, I haven't. I'm super keen. I always see there's like a massive lineup in front of stores and I haven't had the chance to try it. So today I'm down, I'm ready. So I just got my purple rice yogurt and I'm so excited. Look at all of that sticky rice. Also, that's my mate there just chilling in the background. Let's give it a go. Oh my god, this is so good. The texture of the sticky rice works so well with that yogurt.
The yogurt is nice and tart. It's got a really runny consistency, which I absolutely love. I think the star of the drink is actually the yogurt itself.
And I thought it'd be really glunky and thick, but this is very smooth, very easy to drink. Just happiness in a cup.
Put in our order for all the yeast yogurt flavors and here they are. I'm so excited to try them. Lisa, what are you gonna go for first?
I want to try the taro one. I love taro. I'm gonna do my Asians proud. I like this. Yum. This is great. Right, so I have the strawberry yogurt one. It matches my outfit. So you definitely can't go wrong with strawberry and yogurt. Like, it's such a classic flavor that everyone loves. I'm down. It's freaking amazing. Like,
This is the kiwi flavored drink. The difference between all the others is the kiwi has really become the prominent flavor in the yogurt drink and it's just really fruity and fun. So I would recommend this one for all fruit fans out there who want something that's a bit more sweet. We've got the last two yogurt drinks to taste. This is a peach one.
And this is the red bean yogurt. Okay, cheers.
Cheers. Ooh, peachy. If you have ever tried peach lollies, it tastes like that. Coming through, you get a fresh burst of fruity flavor. Yum.
So mine's red bean and I feel like it's got quite a strong red bean flavor to it. So I think like they've blended up the red bean rather than just using a paste, so you can actually taste red bean pieces in it. It's very different because I didn't think that red bean could really go with yogurt, but I'm quite surprised. I've only ever had red bean in like sticky rice and stuff like that. So this is quite interesting. I don't mind this at all.
We've just tried all the yeast yogurt drinks. Lisa, what was your favorite flavor?
That's a tough one. I'd have to say I really like the strawberry yogurt because it's such a classic. I loved the strawberry pieces that it had in it and it's a good balance of being tart and also sweet. What about you?
I loved the kiwi flavored one.
Wow.
Yeah, I didn't know that kiwi and yogurt would mix together really well, but there was a really strong fruity flavor. The kiwi shined and stood out in the drink, so it really took to the yogurt. And similar to you, I think, it was the fruitiness of it.
Yeah.
So I think here the fruit flavors really win.
They're a clear winner. Plus, there's a super cute bear right behind us.
Oh my god.
It's like a giant teddy bear, life size. Alright, catch you next time. Bye.